Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about rings again. Let me just check because I have a hard time saying the company's name. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. It's called yeefvm. I don't know. yeefvm. I'll write it on the screen. yeefvm, maybe. The first email that I received from them was on the 17th of December last year. They were inviting me to review their rings. First of all, I'm going to talk about yeefvm. The company is specializing in moissanites, morganites, and all those other nites. If you look at their website, you will see that they do sell solid gold. Like, that's what is listed in their website. Things that are real gold, real solid gold. It's not a plating, it's solid gold. The reason why this review is going to be very different is because I have not been wearing this because of the fact that I was sent a replica. I'm just going to talk about how the ring looks and feels based on the product that I received. It says here that this was fulfilled somewhere in New Jersey. Came in a box like this, and of course I already opened it. The box, there's a box inside it that looks like this, and then when you open it, the actual box. I think it is the best looking one out of the ones that I have reviewed. I think this is the best looking and more expensive looking. Alright, so you can see that there's a gold detail there, and when you open it, those are the rings. Size 7. As you can see, it is very pretty. You can propose with this, and there's no, you know, names and all. I did specify, but I guess they didn't take note of it. I said, if you're not going to send me a real gold, I would rather it be in silver color, but I guess they didn't pay attention and sent me a gold ring. Very obvious reason why I didn't wear test it. This is how the ring looks on their website. As you can see, take note of there's two that looks like an art deco. This is the engagement ring. Very thin and very lightweight. It almost feels like plastic. So basically what I'm showing you is just how it would look on you and when you're wearing it, not really a review as to how they feel and all that and how they wear. I think it is a very pretty ring, just not sure about the quality. And then the listing in the website shows that it's gonna be 2 of these, but instead I got one like this and one like this. So it's not the exact one that they put in their website. I don't know what happened. It might have been a mistake. So you can see I was supposed to get 2 of these, but I received one and then this one, which is not the same as this, which I'm not sure is a very good thing. It is so lightweight, yet for some reason this tends to turn around a lot. I would say it's very pretty. It's beautiful if you like gold jewelry. The only problem again is like the other rings that I reviewed is like the alignment, because there's no stopper or they're not like glued together, so the tendency is for them to shift this way and that way, and they're not aligned after a while. But the way it looks, very, very beautiful looking, that is for sure. But as far as the quality of it, I can't tell you. 1 carat. This one is 1 carat moissanite, and all the other stones are made with simulated diamonds, whatever that means. I don't know what that means. It could be just cubic zirconia and they name it something else, but yeah, and it says there that it will be either you will get a solid 14K gold, or 14K white gold. That's what they're saying in the website. $635. So for that price, I'm guessing it will be a real gold. I don't know if you're familiar with this. What you do with this is actually, if your rings are too big, this is what you do. It just looks like a spring like this, right? And what you do is like just swirl it around if it's too big like that, and cut it to where the rings would feel more comfortable wearing. So the ring would be tighter. So just have it around like so. I don't know if you can see that. So you can buy these on Amazon. Do you see that? It's on, and you can cut it to however much you want so that the ring would fit you perfectly. The thing with this is I'm not really a fan of this, although they do help keep your ring tight, but I'm not a fan because it changes colors depending on the products that you use. And I use kojic acid soap, and that has the orange papaya tint, so it gets very stained. I would give it a 4.5 over 5 stars. It is very pretty and very beautiful to look at. As far as how it feels, very comfortable. Like there's nothing that would, you know, I would say is uncomfortable. Like when you squeeze your fingers like this, they're very comfortable, and they kind of scratch a little bit. I would just say, because of the quality that I received, I can't judge the quality of it. So based on what I received, I would give this a 3. Just because it's very fake feeling. It feels like it feels just like a plastic jewelry to me. I apologize again that I was not able to do a wear test with this particular ring. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe. I hope to see you on my next video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you guys. Bye.